picture of me crying over him. Go away! She's videotaping me.
Go lay down, you two.
Mom, that's supposed to be my husband. I don't like black men, but I love him. This isn't fair.
Are you crying over Michael Clark Duncan, Tasha?
Yes, I am! Very upset. Hey, Mommy, I'll call you later. This is very upsetting, you know. Oh my god.
I'm so YouTubing this shit.
Oh my god. I love you. Rest in peace.
Oh my god.
Forever in my heart.
Oh my god.
I can't believe I'm seeing this. Oh my god.
Oh, I'm gonna throw up. I'm laughing so hard.
Oh my god. Oh, that just ruined my night.